That's the amount of sugar that's in a healthy person's blood. If your body goes from this to this, you're diabetic. One bowl of rice has the same impact on your blood as 10 cubes of sugar. And one slice of white bread has the same impact on your blood as 4 cubes of sugar. Look at how we process the grain. We take a whole grain and we process it to pure white flour. Now you take that rice, you process out the plant nutrients and the fiber, and now you're left with that delicious processed rice, and we're left with pure starch. And starch are just chains of glucose put together. And your body's trying to do whatever it can to not increase this. So whenever you eat food, that food increases your blood sugar. It may increase it to that. It may increase it to that. It may even increase it to all that. So having cereal in the morning may do something like that, compared to eggs and healthy fats like avocado may do something like that. Now, if you eat something like that, your body's insulin levels may go from this to this, and then it's pretty easy for it to come back down. But if you're having something like that, and your blood sugar goes from this to that, now your insulin goes up much higher, and it takes longer to come down because it's a hormone. Now you feel hungry, you feel tired, so you eat more. So your sugar went from this to this, but your insulin is still high. And then you eat again, and your sugar goes up again. And your insulin stays high all the time. You keep doing it over and over, your body develops a resistance. Look at these drugs. If you keep doing them over and over again, the high gets less and you need more to get the same effect. And 88% of Americans right now are insulin resistant. Diabetes and prediabetes is increasing all over Asia as well. From Japan, Philippines, India. This is a global problem. Now, there's one simple way to control this. This right here is the key. Look at the difference. Orange juice drastically spikes your blood sugar. Oranges doesn't. And look at that, what's happening 2 hours later. The blood sugar's crashing. With the oranges, it doesn't. Same amount of calories, different effect on your blood sugar. How is it that this does this, and this probably only does this? Fiber. Fiber is the key. See, fiber reduces the glucose spike, and it also prevents your blood sugar from crashing. At the same calories, a fibrous fruit will have a lower glucose spike than a less fibrous fruit. Fiber controls your glucose levels. So your body has an easier time maintaining this. But if you remove all that fiber and you add all of this in your bloodstream, and you remove all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals, now you get hyperinsulinemia. The insulin stops working properly in your body. Your body's not using the energy properly, so you keep storing energy because your body's trying to do whatever it can to get rid of this. So yes, while calories do matter, what's more important is the impact of that food on your hormones. And the easiest thing you can do is up your fiber because your body's trying to do whatever it can to maintain healthy blood sugar.